In addition to the existing system-based two-factor authentication, a new type of two-factor authentication has been created in this firmware. It is the user-based two-factor authentication. It can be enabled on a per-user basis and allows the user browser to be whitelisted for a specific number of days. This new feature can be enabled from the user management page. There are two new fields available. One is to enable the feature, and the other one is to set a trust period. If this feature is enabled, the user will be asked to enter a security code that will be sent to their email address during the login process. The code will only be asked if the user wasn't previously trusted on that browser. The trust period starts after the first successful login and lasts for the selected period. During this period, no security code is required. When the trust period expires, a new security code will be required. It's important to note that trust does not extend to other users and it is only valid on the same computer and browser. If a different browser is used, a new trust period will start for that. If the system-based two-factor authentication with an external authenticator is also enabled at the same time, it will override this feature and an authenticator code will be required instead of a security code sent by email.